I would like to play, I just want to load it up on the Legends Ultimate and just play from there. But since that ability has been taken away, I kind of feel that games, they're not going to have the same type of sales, popularity, and love that they had previously. Because other than that, what else do they offer? They offer pinball machines, which are very expensive. For this price, you could probably look to find a used, real pinball machine like before. So, once again, this was the main reason why people got the Atkins Legends Ultimate Arcade. It was the main reason why I got it and why I still love the machine to this day. But now that that feature is no longer there, honestly, there's really no reason for people who really enjoys retro gaming and arcade cabinet to actually get it. And instead, or, well, I don't think these companies are going to be around. Arcade has been around for a while, but this wasn't the reason why people got into this in the first place. So if you actually have any thoughts on this or any other arcade machines or emulation machines that you enjoy using, be sure to leave in the comments area below, and I'll see you on another episode.
Grab your spoons. You're gonna love this.
From Nerfing Fortnite, the Fortnite Compact SMG. Now you can discover the power. This iconic blaster has an 8-dart capacity and motorized blasting, so you're not just in the game, you're the GOAT. The Nerf Fortnite Compact SMG. Hour batteries not included. It's Nerf or nothing.